Hello everyone, this is Ning from Lens Lab Polimi. I will show you how to use a Miro-based version of the innovation diagram. Before we start, make sure you already have a Miro account. Then you can go to the Miroverse, search Lens Lab Polimi, and choose the tool. On the tool page, you can click Use Template to build a new board in your account, or click the arrow to put the template in a previous board you have made before. Let's start. The tool aims to position and characterize existing offers and competitors and select promising ideas for new concepts, drafting, and profiling. It consists of 3 polarity diagrams, 3 profiling tables, label makers, and repository. Our tutorial will be here below the basic information of this tool. You can come back and check if you forgot something. We can start by building the innovation diagram to analyze an existing offer. Click the arrow on the top right corner of the first button. You will be quickly navigated to the tool. After writing down your name and the satisfaction unit, you can start to use this tool. In the first step, you must make a label representing the existing offer. After clicking the Label Maker button, you will go to a new board where you can create labels easily. Let me show you how it works. Here in this box, it's a pre-made label made by icon text and a frame. Double-click one of the 3 icon parts, and you can modify it through the pop-up toolbar. Click Replace and replace from the board, then choose any icon to represent your existing offer. For example, you can select the Research Center as the structure icon. Click it and confirm. It will replace the default one automatically. With the same rules, you can modify all the 3 parts of the icon. Then, double-click the text part to change the description text as you want. After adjusting, please select the whole label, Ctrl+C or Command+C, then click the existing offer button to back, paste, and position it. You can use the text box to note the description or why you put it in this position. To analyze the existing offer, we also need the profiling table. Here on the right of the innovation diagram is the profiling table. You can click all the buttons on the left part of the table to make or find the necessary labels for the analysis. For example, I need to determine who the customer is and what type of S.PSS is in the existing offer. I click the customer button, and with the same rules as the provider label maker, I can make the customer's label in the existing offer. Then I copy the label and paste it into the table. Now I move to the S.PSS type board. Here are many pre-made labels. You don't need to do any modifications. Just copy and paste the one you need to your table. After you finish the table, you will have a good analysis of your existing offer. What should I do if I want to analyze some competitors? Also easy. Go to the competitor's innovation diagram. You may find a template with 3 different competitors in the same polarity map here. You make your competitors' labels first, then position them in it. Click the button on the left to move to the profiling table and analyze them with the same rules we introduced before. After ideation with the help of the SDO toolkit, we will get so many different ideas. We can use the concept innovation diagram to evaluate and generate new ideas. How to use it? After we move to the concept innovation diagram, we can copy and paste the ideas we have generated from the SDO toolkit to the same color post-its. Remember, only copy and paste the text and position them on the map. We may find new ideas during the relocation, so be bold and write down your latest thinking. Then you can use the circle to cluster your ideas and choose the most potential. Finally, you can use the profiling table to outline your concept by filling the table with labels. Isn't it easy and interesting? I hope our new tool version can help you create a better S.PSS. To know more about the tool, you can check www.lenslab.polimi.it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please contact us through the email addresses shown on the screen. We will be super happy to hear your voice. See you in the next video. Ciao.